Are you wondering how recent tax cuts could boost your borrowing power? Well, you won't believe the latest figures we are about to reveal. Hi everyone, Rasti here with your latest update on the Australian property markets for the week ending 12th of July 2024. Let's get started with the big news on tax cuts. Well, it's a good news for investors and home buyers. The federal government's July 1st tax cuts are set to boost your borrowing power. These cuts can increase borrowing capacity by 4% for those earning $90,000 and over 5% for those earning $100,000 or more. A $100,000 income could mean an extra $25,000 in borrowing power, and someone earning $150,000 could see an increase of about $37,000. Well, you might be wondering who's winning between houses versus units. Well, the gap between house and unit values is widening. PropTrack analysis shows that as of June 2024, the median value difference between houses and units in capital cities is $286,000. House values rose by 7.23% over the past year, while unit prices increased by 5.46%. The affordability of units has driven a 20% increase in sales, especially in Sydney, Perth, and Brisbane. Furthermore, the size of new home loans for owner-occupiers has reached a record high, with the average loan now at $626,000. Even with high interest rates, homeowners are borrowing more than ever. Queensland, South Australia, and Western Australia have all seen record loan amounts. In other news, the federal government has released an additional 50,000 places under the Home Guarantee Scheme, including 35,000 for the First Home Guarantee, 10,000 for Regional First Home Buyer Guarantee, and 5,000 for Family Home Guarantee. HIA Chief Executive Simon Croft explains that these schemes help buyers secure properties with deposits as low as 5%. If you found this property update helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.